RG280V metal cell case installation. Let's start for the metal cell case installation step. Of course, first we need is a RG280V handheld console. Let's remove the 4 hexagon screw from the back cell. Remove the battery connector and speaker connector. Remove the screen flex cable. Remove the SD card before you are able to remove the logic board from the cell case. Now we can remove the logic board from the cell case. Put aside. Remove all the buttons. We need to remove the OCA laminate screen from the cell case. Peel off this. Don't throw away, we still need it. Just put aside. You may use a hot gun or air dryer to blow and heat up, so you easy to remove this OCA screen. But now I will show you another method. You no need to use any hot gun or any hair dryer to heat up. What you need is a knife. You need to have a knife with very thin. Don't get those like very thick blade. Okay, try to find those very thin one. So how we do it now, I will show you, but just be careful. Don't overcut and don't get your flex cable cut. We need to cut and remove the glue over here, the white color glues, all the glues. Let me zoom in first. Just be careful when you cut. Don't get yourself cut. Just do it slowly and be patient because this is a bit tricky. Even though you use a hot gun or air dryer, you still may easy to break your screen. Once almost ready, you just need to push very slowly and use your knife to remove the glue inside. You push and remove and cut. There you go. This is RG280 280V OCA screen. When you remove the screen from the cell case, this panel may open a bit, but don't worry, you just turn over, okay? You try to push back and then it will do. So just do it slowly and don't spoil the flex cable. Now we can move to next step. We need to remove the glue over here. Just lightly clean it. After you clean, it should be something like this. Now we need to do, what we need to do is, we need to stick a black color double-sided to close surrounding of the screen. If you never stick the black color double-sided, the screen, your once you fix the OCA screen to your cell case, you may have some light leaking. So to avoid the light leaking from the screen, we need to stick a black color double-sided surrounding the screen. Now get ready our metal cell case. I will cut a piece of double-sided and stick to here. Get ready your OCA screen, the flex cable sides point to here.
A few moments later.
Our T8000 or T7000 glues. I do explain before why we need to use this type of glue instead of like super glue or UFO glue. You may refer the video on top of the right hand side.
Later.
Let's put all back together. For this metal cell case, we can't use back the original screw. We need to use the screw that come with together the metal cell case. The top of the two screws, we need to have a ring, is it? O-ring or a plastic bracket. I think it's a O-ring. It's a link. It's a screw. Then we insert the link to the screw and then we will fix it. Insert the screen flex cable to the connector. Remove the speaker and battery from the original plastic cell case. our RG280V metal is ready. Now insert the SD card. Okay, the metal RG280V is ready. Now we can enjoy our premium RG280V. If you like this installation video, please consider to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share this video. It does look more classic, more premium compared with the plastic one. That's it for today's installation video. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.